In today's video, I'm going to show you how I spice up my Ayurveda for treatments such as Prepoos, and I'm going to show you how to turn this into a deep conditioner for your hair as well. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss on future videos. Today's main ingredients are fenugreek seed, hibiscus petals, and rosemary leaves. Pour some water over it and let it boil for a few minutes to allow the nutrients diffuse into the water. So now get a clean bowl and let's begin the process. Using some more fenugreek powder and the tea rings extracted from the herbs with some peppermint oil and about 5 scoops, or should I say 5 spoons of raw shea butter. Also, we are going to be using a little bit of cocoa butter, raw cocoa butter. I had to scrape it because mine was very caked. Add it to your mixture and pour your fenugreek over it. Add about 20 drops of peppermint oil. And melt it using the double boiler method. After some time, you just turn off the fire and let the remaining heat melt everything. And this is how everything should look like. Add your tea rings to it, stir it a little and whisk it. After about 10 minutes of whisking, this is what we're dealing with. Very smooth and beautiful consistency there. Now you want to add some raw honey to it and continue whisking it for some additional 10 to 15 minutes. At this beautiful point, you can use this as a Prepoo Ayurveda Max, or you could add your favorite conditioner to turn it into a deep conditioner for your hair. I hope this video has been informative and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Keep the love running and keep the love on fire.